Let's take a look at this week's market update for Chevy Chase, Bethesda, and Kensington, Maryland. The median list price in Chevy Chase this week is $1.8 million. In Bethesda, it's $1.8 million as well, and in Kensington, it's $800,000. What's interesting is their new median list price for Chevy Chase is $2.2 million. In Bethesda, it's $1.5, down from the $1.8 median price, and in Kensington, you see the same thing happening with a median new list price of $750. Days on the market in these areas are in Chevy Chase we have 50 days, Bethesda 73, and in Kensington 63. Price decreases in these markets are 52% of the listings in Chevy Chase have seen decreases, 43% in Bethesda, and 40% in Kensington. The inventory as it stands is 21 single-family homes in Chevy Chase, 71 in Bethesda, and 26 in Kensington. And last week, new listings over sold listings. We had 8 new listings in Chevy Chase, only 2 went under contract. We had 27 new listings in Bethesda, 4 of which went under contract, and we had 9 listings in Kensington, 1 of which went under contract. So what's our market update telling us today about the real estate market that we are currently in? Well, our market action index across all 3 of the neighborhoods that we look at are sitting pretty much flat from last week and pretty much flat from last month, which means they're all still significantly in the seller's market category of the market action index. When you look at the inventory for these 3 areas, except for Bethesda, which has over 70 listings on the market, you see less than 30 listings in both of these neighborhoods, Chevy Chase and Kensington. That's not a huge number of listings for an area that's so large. What the most interesting factor that I see this week in our update is the new list price, new median list price. And that new median list price in Bethesda is $300,000 less than the current median price in Bethesda and almost $100,000 less in Kensington. Now in Chevy Chase, it's up. It's 1.85 to 2.2 million. But Chevy Chase is one of our more expensive neighborhoods, and the action in that $2 million up price range is still solid in that neighborhood. Moving forward, I think we're going to see that new median list price continue to decrease. I think you're going to still see price drops in about 50% of the market every week. Hopefully we'll start to see more buyer activity and the actual week in, week out purchases move up, because in the last 2 weeks there have been in single digits when we've had double digits of new listings. So stay tuned. Let's see what happens next week. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week.